San Diego shocked by scandal. Officer Anthony Hare's serious mistake in arrest raises unimaginable allegations. San Diego is reeling from a scandal involving Officer Anthony Hare, who has been accused of a serious mistake during an arrest, leading to unimaginable allegation. Discover the details of this mysterious midnight incident and the shocking accusations that have left the city in turmoil.
Why are you guys tripping like that? I can't follow our instruction.
Listen to him.
I can't come out of the... Put your hands behind your back. Hey, with the lungs on my fucking face, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Do not move. Just like that. Do not move.
Here on the screen are two suspects under arrest, suspected of car theft, with our main character being the woman in the red outfit.
One at a time, guys. One at a time.
Footage being shown is from the body camera of San Diego police officer Anthony Hare, who was tasked with overseeing this arrest.
We'll explain everything to you, man.
I know you're gonna explain everything.
Relax, alright?
Hold your side.
Bend your knee. Take this one right here.
Both suspects were frisked before being placed in separate vehicles for transport to the police station and subsequently to the Las Colinas Detention Center in Santee, California, for interrogation.
Alright, go ahead and stand up for me. Yeah, maybe it's easy.
Just roll over first, yeah. Roll over.
And bend that up there. Stand up there.
Wait, can you get the other one?
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
I'm a bit heavy.
Alright, any weapons?
Both suspects were searched before being placed in the vehicle to prevent unfortunate incidents that have occurred in many previous cases. For example, this woman was arrested by the police and handcuffed before being transported to the police station. However, somehow, she managed to free herself from the handcuffs and retrieve an AR-15 rifle. She then proceeded to open fire continuously, targeting both police officers and bystanders witnessing the incident. Police officers were also stunned by this unforeseen situation.
What was that? Lady, I'm hit right here. Yeah. I'm hit right here too, David. Hit in the head. 2615 County, we got shots fired up here. We need backup immediately. Start EMS. Start EMS. We got a civilian. Got a civilian hit. What the heck? Did she get out of her cuffs? No.
Let's get back to our main content.
Can I put on my shirt?
Yeah.
At this point, something unexpected happened. Officer Hare requested to transport the woman in his own vehicle.
You heard him when he said it.
Let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah, this way. Walk across the street.
He said he was gonna...
Woman began to verbally attack Officer Hare with charming words to serve her ulterior motive.
Once I get to the car, okay? I got your,
Sorry for calling that. But
not your duffel bag, but the dashcam bag and all of that. Your makeup.
not rude. You're doing your job. I understand. You're doing your job. But I don't want to hate it like that.
Once in the back of the police vehicle, dressed provocatively, she prepared to attack Officer Hare.
Perfect. Just a little bit more. I don't want to pinch your skin. Alright.
As the vehicle started, the woman attacked Officer Hare.
Why are you asking that? What do you mean? I'm cool to you.
Head south on Emerson. On Crime. Then do right on Claremont Drive.
After completing the procedures at the police station, the officer continued to transport her to the Las Colinas Detention Center in Santee for interrogation. During this transport, woman continued to assault the officer. Vehicle was recorded on camera.
Me? Once in a while? Whatever. Hold on, it's a turn. A little bit. Well, I can't hear you now. Don't say that right now. No, I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now. What's going on?
Officer Hare seemed to have encountered an issue in the vehicle, diverting into a deserted alley where he stopped for about 20 minutes. Moreover, the incident was not recorded as Hare had turned off his camera. About 30 minutes later, another officer arrived at the scene where Hare's vehicle had stopped, and surprisingly, Hare and the female suspect were found trapped in the back seat.
Alright, sir, step out of the vehicle for me.
Following the rescue, the suspect was taken to the Las Colinas Detention Center in Santee for interrogation and was imprisoned with her boyfriend, who was also arrested at the beginning of the video.
Okay, hold on, let me turn my camera off. She's code 4? She's code 4, okay. Yeah, let me turn this off real quick.
Do you remember the incident involving Officer Hare? Let's review the details.
Northern Division. Okay,
Hare reported that he believed the woman needed medical attention. Adhering to procedures and regulations is crucial in police work. Officer Hare failed to follow protocol by turning off his body camera and not calling for medical assistance when he thought the suspect was in health trouble.
And then I was just like kind of right here. I was like, well, at first I was like, hey, wake up. I was like, hey, you okay? Blah, blah, blah. She did, so her head was facing towards that way. And then this is when I was shaking her, and then this is when I went in. But then I don't know if I had my hand like this, and then like that. Kicked it with my foot like that, and then I was in, and then that's I was waking her up like this.
Both Hare and the woman stated that there was no sexual contact when they were in the back seat. She also mentioned that Hare had asked her to meet him after her release, but she never did. The department examined Hare's clothing for any traces of semen and found traces on his belt. Presence of semen on Officer Hare's clothing may be considered in the context of criminal proceedings. This evidence will be used by investigative agencies to clarify the case. This incident has led to an investigation and disciplinary actions from the authority. Oversight and investigation are necessary to ensure that police conduct does not violate the law or ethical standards. On September 14th, Officer Hare resigned from the department and did not attend the subsequent hearing. Officer Hare declined to participate in interviews with investigators. This could impact how legal agencies handle the case and may lead to other legal consequences. Following Hare's resignation, the San Diego Police Department issued the following statement. The San Diego Police Department takes all allegations and misconduct seriously. This matter has been thoroughly investigated by the department's Professional Standards Unit, PSU. The individual is no longer employed with the San Diego Police Department. Police officers must maintain the highest ethical standards. Inappropriate behavior with suspects or requesting to meet a suspect after their release is unacceptable and harms the reputation of the police force. This case serves as an important lesson in adhering to regulations, maintaining transparency, and upholding ethical standards in police work. Legal and oversight agencies must continue to monitor and investigate, protect the rights of all parties involved, and maintain public trust in law enforcement.
Like, hey, are you having a hard time breathing? I said, no. Do you need medics? No. It's like, okay, all right. Just stay right there. And then that's when I was trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then that's when I went on D2.
All right, you can jump up. Jump up.
Do you mind?
End the video.
Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.